Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live Class. So today we are going to see an assignment on equality. So total 10 questions are there in these assignments. Now let us find the answers. The first question is, which was the first state in India introduced midday meal scheme? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Yes, our Tamil Nadu state introduced first time in India this midday meal program. Okay, yeah, really we have to proud. So the first question answer is what children? That is Tamil Nadu. Next, second question. What was the conditions of Afro Americans in USA prior to 1950s? The answer is before 1950 children in USA they treated Afro Americans unequally. Okay, so the answer is what? They treated unequally. So second question answer is treated unequally. Now let's take third question children. Why do you think that Ansaris were being treated unequally? The answer is because of different religion. So the third question answer is on the basis of different religion. Right. Now let's take fourth question. Who is employed to cook the meals under midday meal program or midday meal scheme? The answer is Dalit women. So the fourth question answer is Dalit women. Right. Now let's take few more questions children. Yeah. Now fifth question. What are the two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that guaranteed in the constitution? The answer is through laws, like by passing some laws where they can give equal priority, and second point is through government programs or schemes. So the fifth question answer is through laws, then through government program or schemes. Now let's take sixth question children. What property dealer suggested to Mr. Ansari? The answer is, so property dealer suggested to Mr. Ansari to change their names as like Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. Okay. So sixth question answer is to change their names. Their names. What names? Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. Now let's take seventh question children. What is constitution? Constitution means a document which contains a set of rules and regulations for people to maintain or to govern a state or a country. Okay, right. Let us see the answer here. All right. So seventh question. What is constitution? A document which contains a set of rules and regulations for people that govern a state. Here state means country. Okay, so that is called as constitution. Now let's take 8th question, children. What are the factors on the basis of which inequality is being practiced in India? The answer is on the basis of caste, religion, disability, gender and economic status. So the 8th question answer is on the basis of caste, religion, gender, okay, and economic status. Okay, now let's take 9th question, children. Why do you think Mr. Om Prakash Valmiki was being treated unequally by his teacher and his classmates? The answer is on the basis of different caste. Okay, so 9th question answer is on the basis of different caste. Now last question, children. 10th question. Why people do not consider Dalits as equal even though laws says it? The answer is because of the attitude change very slowly, children. So the attitude, like we have to feel ourselves, like how no one is inferior in this world, everyone are equal. So then only when attitude change, then only we can consider Dalit as equal. Okay, so the answer is what here? Because of attitude change very slowly. So 10th question answer is because attitude change very slowly. Yes, right. So these are 10 question answers, children. I hope you are clear with these answers. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Now signing off.